viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So yes, today we are going to add new blockchain or new network on our Metamask wallets. That name is Telos. Yes, Telos also have a token and also have ecosystem. So if you need to add this network in your Metamask wallet, so please watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And you can also subscribe my channel, Crypto Wallets Info, and also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now we are going to add new network. So that first of all, I'm going to log in or open CoinMarketCap, because first we need to discuss about little bit Telos, where the rank, I think not ranking top 100 cryptocurrency in CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin price is $47,000 this time. So we are going to directly search on search bar Telos. Yes, you can see here the Telos is shown here. I just simple click on it. Now the new page open in front of me, and you can see here the price is $0.82, means 82 cents this time, 3.2% to 26% up. And this is developed on Ethereum, and this token have also blockchain or network. And you can see here the price graph. If we need to check the price graph, when token launch almost 9 cents in 2019, and after 3 years the token high price almost $1.40. so if you earlier holder of this token, so I hope you get big reward from this opportunity. So you can also trade this token on these exchanges: Gate.io, KuCoin, Bitfinex. And if you need to visit this website, so you just simple go to the click on telos.net, top right left. Now the telos.net, this is the official website of this blockchain, home of the first Ethereum virtual machine. And if we check this website, a ground breaking blockchain, fast and scalable, no gas fee, no front running, eco-friendly, decentralized, community governance, two lending, smart contracts protocols, EMV, and native. You can just go to this, open this website, and you can easily add this. So if you need to add this network on your Metamask wallet, so you can also copy the information of new RPC and chain name and chain ID and symbol from this tab. And if we are compare with Ethereum, Matic and ADA, so you can see here Telos transaction per second 10,000, and if you're going to use ADA, so ADA 257, Matic 7200, and Ethereum 20. If you make any transaction, you will charge energy only 0.004, and if you use network of ADA, you will charge 0.06, and if you are using Matic, then you will charge 0.008, and if you use Ethereum, then you will charge $49. Huge or big transaction fee. You can also read more information about this token from this website, and you can also use the check the ecosystem from here. Just simple click on ecosystem, then the new page will be open in front of you. Explore the Telos project ecosystem, and you can see here NFTs, ZP, many applications is available here. So now we are going to add new token in our Metamask wallet. So I have already all information put in my notepad file. So just simple go to the click on Metamask wallet, and going to enter my password here. I have entered my password here. Now you can see here Metamask wallet is going to open. Now Metamask wallet is open in front of me, and now I have click on expand view. If you add any network in your Metamask wallet, so just simple go to the click on network area. We have already add many network on this wallet, so we are going to new network add on this wallet. So just simple click on add network, and then you can see here network name, new PRC, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer. So you must have all information in your notepad file. After that you can add. So you just simple copy from my notepad file and paste here. Next is new RPC. The new RPC is available here. Just simple copy and paste here. The next is that chain ID. So chain ID is 40. Copy, and now the next is that currency symbol. I have also currency symbol Telos. Copy, paste here. The last option block explorer URL. So simple copy and paste here. I have entered all information like network name, new RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. So if you have put all information correctly, then you just simple click on save button. Now as successfully we have add new blockchain in our Metamask wallet. That name is Telos EVM mainnet, and you can easily use it if you save your token for long term. So you must add first of all this blockchain in your Metamask wallet. After that you will easily save your token. But before going to make any transaction on this wallet, you must click on this wallet, and after that click on assets option or three dots, because you need to find your private key. If you have your private key, then you can easily recover, restore your import your wallet. So just simple go to the click on it. You can see here there is the wallet address is available here where you want to deposit. You can also scan QR code, and if you need to find the private key, you can see here option is available here. Just enter password here. I'm going to enter password here. Enter my password. Before going to show private key, you must read the warning: never disclose this key. Anyone with your private key can steal any assets held in your account. So if you share your private key with anyone, so your fund will be lost. Okay, click on confirm. Now viewers, you can see here we have successfully also found the private key of my wallet. If we need to recover, restore, import my wallet, then this private key will be helpful for me. So you will make the multiple copy of this private key and save multiple places. Okay, so viewers, I hope you probably understand how can you add new blockchain or new network in your Metamask wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So if you face any problem regarding this, so you can mail to me my email address, and you can also comment below this video. So yes, meet with you in new video. Bye bye.